Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video with Millennials Matter. We are back at it again with another video that we are sure will be useful to the students out there who are looking for new side hustles. Now, you're probably thinking of the usual suspects: tutoring, freelance writing, social media management. But today, we're diving deeper. We've got 5 unexpected side hustle ideas that are perfect for students this year, things you might not have even considered. So grab your favorite study snack, get comfy, and let's explore these unique ways to earn some extra cash while you're still in school. And don't worry, we got you covered with the pros and cons for each, so be sure to watch until the very end. Side hustle number 1, AI prompt engineering. This one might sound a bit futuristic, but trust me, it's a real thing. With the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard, there's a growing demand for people who can write effective prompts to get the best results from these powerful technologies. Imagine this: you're helping businesses write compelling marketing copy, generating creative content for artists, or even assisting researchers with complex data analysis. The pros: high demand skill. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the need for skilled prompt engineers will only increase. High earning potential. You can charge premium rates for your expertise in crafting effective prompts. Develop valuable AI literacy. Gain a deep understanding of how AI works and how to leverage it for various tasks. The cons. It requires continuous learning. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so you need to stay updated on the latest advancements and best practices. Side hustle number 2, online game testing. Who doesn't love playing video games? Now you can get paid to do it. Many game development companies hire testers to play their games, identify bugs, and provide feedback on gameplay, graphics, and overall user experience. The pros: get paid to play games. What could be better? Gain valuable experience in the gaming industry. Learn about game development processes and contribute to the creation of exciting new games. Fun and engaging work. It's a great way to earn money while doing something you enjoy. The cons can be repetitive. Playing the same game for extended periods can sometimes become monotonous. May require specific hardware. You might need a high-end gaming PC or console to meet the requirements of some testing positions. Side hustle number 3, online pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals? This is the perfect side hustle for you. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect pet owners and with reliable sitters and walkers. The pros: spend time with adorable animals. Who wouldn't want to spend their free time with furry friends? Flexible schedules. Work around your classes and other commitments. Get some exercise. Dog walking is a great way to stay active and get some fresh AI. Cons: can be physically demanding. Walking dogs and caring for pets can require some physical exertion. Requires responsibility and reliability. Pet owners rely on you to provide safe and attentive care for their animals. Side hustle number 4, reselling vintage or unique items. Do you have an eye for unique finds? Reselling vintage clothing, collectibles, or handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy, Depop, or Poshmark can be a surprisingly lucrative side hustle. The pros: low startup costs. You can start with items you already own or find at thrift stores and flea markets. Creative outlet. Explore your sense of style and curate a unique collection of items to sell. Connect with other enthusiasts. Engage with a community of buyers and sellers who share your interests. The cons: requires time and effort. Sourcing, photographing, and listing items takes time and effort. Competition can be fierce. You need to find unique items and stand out from the crowd to succeed. Side hustle number 5, online skill sharing platforms. Do you have a unique skill or talent? Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses on a wide range of topics, from playing guitar to baking bread to learning a new language. The pros: share your knowledge with the world, teach others what you love, and help them learn new skills. Create passive income. Once you create a course, it can continue to generate income for years to come. Build a personal brand. Establish yourself as an expert in your field and connect with a community of learners. The cons: requires upfront time and effort. Creating a high-quality online course makes time, effort, and potentially some investment in video and audio equipment. Competition can be high. The online learning market is saturated, so you need to create a unique and engaging course that stands out from the crowd. There you have it, 5 unexpected side hustles that are perfect for students in 2025. These are just a few of the many creative ways you can earn extra money while pursuing your education. Remember, the key is to find something you're passionate about, and that aligns with your skills and interests. What are your favorite side hustle ideas? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy hustling!